Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful fabric earring. So if this is something you would like to learn, stick around and don't skip any part of this video. So I'll be using this pink satin fabric for this tutorial, and yeah, I'm going to be using 9 inches for the length and 4.5 inches for the width. Then I'm just going to fold that into two. So for each of my earrings, for each ear, it's 9 inches for the length and 4.5 inches for the width. So I took out half of an inch from both of the ends and I cut it out in shape of a right angle triangle. So I'm going to sew around the wrong side. I'm going to sew it round, and I'm just going to leave a little opening when I'm done sewing. So this is what we have. I left a little opening from one of the sides, and I'm going to flip it to the other side through that little opening. So this is what we have after flipping to the other side, and then I'm just going to fold that opening I have inside and then use my needle and thread to sew it. So after I was done closing up the opening, I'm just going to continue on that line and I'm going to make loose gather stitches. Just watch me as I do it and I'm sure you're going to get it. So yes, I'm just passing my needle all the way. I'm going to do that all the way until I reach the end of this earring. So yeah. Remember to gather it all the way to the end, all the way to the end. So once we're done with that, we're going to join the ends together and make sure it's very firm. We're just going to bring it together and sew it together until it's very firm. So once you're done, you're going to have something like this. The next thing we're going to do is grab our earring hooks. You can get your earring hooks from the market, any market around you. Just maybe bead stores and places where they sell tailoring accessories. And also you're going to get your pearl beads and pass the needle through the pearl beads first before passing it to the earring hook. So that's what I did. I just passed it through it, then I went back in to the pearl bead and then I passed it through the fabric, and then I'm just going to repeat that process over and over again until I have a very firm grip. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Meanwhile, if you'd like to purchase any of these earrings in different colors, just send a DM to me on any of my Instagram pages. You'll find the link in the description. So yeah, we're just going to do this over and over again until we have a very firm grip, until we're satisfied with the firmness. Yeah, so please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, whoever you think will find this helpful. You can share these videos to them and it will really go a long way. Also turn on notification bells so that you'll be the first to know whenever I post new videos. I upload videos like this every week. So this is what we have after making the earrings. I went ahead to make the second one off camera and this is what it's giving, guys. You can make this in different colors and using any fabric of choice. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.